Oh wait, sorry.
Ooh.
That's my bad.
You're lucky you're out of ammo, bro.
No, I hit the wood. That is my bad though, I'm sorry. He's up ahead right at that box.